new working codes in the Blue Lock Rivals. Make sure you guys actually like the video and subscribe. We are going to actually redeem all the new codes in the Blue Lock update. Look at this beautiful update. We get the egg hunt, we get the Easter packs that you can unbox for the Easter Kaiser skin, which are pretty easy to get. We get all these quests that you can actually do, and in the shop you can spend your football tokens. But if you do actually want to redeem every single one of these codes, make sure you guys open up the codes and type in this exact code. If you do need an extra style, guys, if you do need an extra style, be sure to comment down below comment down below Easter for this brand new event if you do need an extra slot, because these extra slots are very necessary to play this game. We're going to redeem all these codes. The first code is going to be very simple. It's going to be the 25 exclamation point code. So let's actually quickly type it in. We got the Easter 25 code. So this is the first code you should redeem. This one gives you 15 lucky spins. So be prepared to actually redeem yourself some free lucky spins in the Blue Lock Rivals. You have to be level 10 to redeem these codes. So don't worry, guys. You get the next code. It's going to be egg code, egg hunt, exclamation point. I hope this one works because this one is the egg code. This is the actual egg code. It works, but I am not level 10, so that's kind of sad. Sorry for lay. Sorry for lay. Okay, my bad. Lay. Sorry for delay code. 5 lucky spins for this one as well. Don't miss out on any of these codes. A egg has spawned somewhere on the map. I just got a pop-up on my screen. A egg spawned somewhere on the map. So that's pretty much how you find all these eggs, and you probably already knew this. Sadly, the limited UGC item was emptied out so quickly that a lot of people just didn't got the free UGC item, me included. Visits. They should rejuice the UGC item. On God, they should rejuice the UGC item so there is more UGC items to claim, because it's already empty. Like really did. Like maybe 10% of people got this item. Okay, maybe 10% of people. 2 billion visits. Okay, bang, and then we get the next code. Is going to be the monk exclamation point. I hope this one still works. I'm not really sure. As well as Iga Goat 1.8 million exclamation point. These are all the codes, and you can see there's a bunch of eggs spawning in my lobby. Maybe I got a lucky lobby. Maybe I actually got a lucky lobby. Like, subscribe.